Welcome to Thinkers IAS. In this video, let's discuss about important definitions in agriculture. Agriculture, it is the cultivation of plants, animals, fungi for various purposes, including food, fiber, biofuels, for medicinal purposes. Okay, so it is to enhance the human life. That is agriculture. So if you look at the root of the word agriculture, it comes from Latin word. Please remember, it comes from Latin. Agar means field and cultura means cultivation. That is field cultivation, that is agriculture from Latin word. So there are different branches of agriculture. So agriculture is divided into different branches for convenience. So these include agronomy, soil science and agriculture chemistry, horticulture, plant breeding, plant pathology which deals with the plants diseases, okay, entomology which deals with insects, agriculture insects. It may be both beneficial and harmful insects. Beneficial insects controls the pests and diseases through natural predation, and harmful insects causes damage to the crops. Okay, so that is insect pest. Agriculture economics, extension education, statistics, seed technology, nematology, plant physiology, forestry, and agriculture biotechnology. So these are the branches of agriculture. So let's decode some of the important terms which are related to agriculture. So sericulture means rearing of silkworms. Okay, silkworms for silk. Okay, so there are 4 different types of silkworms. These include 4 different types of sericulture. It includes muga, tassar, eri, and sericulture. Okay, silkworms. Mulberry. Okay, so these are the 4. Olericulture includes vegetable cultivation. Cultivation of vegetable crops is called olericulture. Please remember from place point. Viticulture means growing of grapes. So production technology of grapes is called viticulture. Apiculture means honeybees, cultivation of honeybees for honey. Okay, floriculture, as the name itself indicates, it is the cultivation of flowering plants and ornamental plants. So another important term, arboriculture. It is important from Prelims point of view. So it is the cultivation, management and study of trees, shrubs and vines and other perennial woody plants. So it is the science of growing perennial woody plants, individual trees in gardens and other areas. Pomology, it is the study of fruits, cultivation of fruits. It includes cultivation, production, harvest and post-harvest technology of fruits. Aeroponics, so it is a type of agriculture where plants are grown without soil, in air or mist, without using soil as aggregate medium. So we can grow crops without soil if we provide sufficient moisture to the roots. Okay, that is aeroponics. Hydroponics means soilless culture, but it is not necessarily cultivating crops with the help of water. Hydroponics means soil-less culture, so you can use different medium like vermiculite or cocoa peat for cultivation of crops. Okay, not necessarily water only. Okay, so that is the hydroponics. Agronomy. So agronomy is an important branch of agriculture along with horticulture, sericulture and others. So agronomy, it is science and technology of producing plants for food, fuel, fiber and land reclamation. Okay, so it is the major branch of agriculture which deals with cultivation of field crops, millets, coarse millets, oil seeds and others. Okay, so agriculture extension, please remember you need to know about the definition. So agriculture extension, it is the means to educate farmers. Okay, it is the farmers education means to provide knowledge about cultivation of crops in a non-formal way. Okay, so here first the farmers learn the practicals, then the teacher goes to theory. Okay, in conventional classes we teach first theory and then practical. So in agriculture extension, first practical is taught and then the theory in order to create interest for the farmers. Okay, so it is farmer education, agriculture education. So extension now encompasses wide range of communication and learning activities organized for rural people. So that is the issue. Permaculture, it has been asked in the mains exam in 2013 it seems. So permaculture means permanent agriculture. So it is means for sustainable agriculture, okay, permanent agriculture. So permaculture comes from the words permanent agriculture, so permaculture, and it is about living lightly on the planet, okay, so to put less burden on the natural resources of the earth and making sure that we can sustain human activities for many generations to come, that is to conserve the resources for the future generation without compromising the livelihood of the present generation, okay. So that is permanent agriculture, permaculture. It is not about everything staying the same. It is about stability, it is about deepening the soil and cleaning water, thriving communities in self-reliant regions. So that is permaculture. Organic agriculture is one of the important components of permaculture. It is not the whole thing, okay. So now let's discuss organic farming. So it is an integrated farming system. It does not use the chemical pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, genetically modified organisms and growth hormones. Instead, it uses organic products for manures, for control of crop pest, control of diseases, and also it uses cultural means like hand weeding, crop rotation, okay, and attraction of natural enemies and others, okay. That is organic farming. Extensive farming, so it is the cultivation of crops on a large piece of land with less labors and inputs, okay. So field crops are the extensive crops. On the other hand, intensive farming is the cultivation of crops in a small piece of land with more labor, with state-of-the-art technologies, with more fertilizers and pesticides. So if you grow tomato, that is intensive cropping, okay. So more inputs are provided, whereas for tobacco and other crops, that is extensive farming. So large stretch of land is suitable for the cultivation of crops with less labor force requirement when compared to horticulture crops. So that is the difference here. An integrated farming system. So integrated farming system approach introduces a change in farming technique for maximum production in the cropping pattern and takes care of the optimal utilization of resources. So it is important from prelims point of view. So here integrated farming system includes cultivation of both crops, that is plants, and animals, honeybees, fishes, chicken, poultry, piggery. So that is integrated farming, okay. It integrates both crop cultivation and as well as animal husbandry in order to provide insurance to the farmer, in order to provide maximum returns to the farmer in case of any emergency situation. So it is the cultivation of agricultural crops, dairy, poultry, piggery, fishery, sericulture on the same piece of land to provide sustainable livelihood for the farmer. That's why it's called integrated farming system. So please remember from prelims point of view. So that is about integrated farming system. And biodynamic farming. So biodynamic farming is invented by Rudolf Steiner. So it is a form of alternative agriculture. It is very similar to organic farming but includes various esoteric concepts which are drawn from the ideas of Rudolf Steiner. So it is similar to organic farming but includes spirituality, knowledge about cosmic energy. So it is some mystical form is involved in this biodynamic farming. You need to believe something if you want to undertake biodynamic farming, okay. So they calculate the movement of stars and constellation for applying the manures, okay, to increase the effect. So that is the belief in biodynamic farming, okay. So you need not know further under this, okay. That's enough. You need to remember the name Rudolf Steiner. So that is the issues related to agriculture. So you can subscribe to our current affairs analysis course if you have not subscribed. So for the subscribers, we are going to start revision videos on current affairs from April 5th. Please complete all the remaining videos now, okay. So revise again if you want, because from April onwards you are busy with prelims examination. So you can continue it later. The remaining videos you can watch after the prelims for the mains examination. So we have covered issues which are relevant from the mains examination as well, okay, along with prelims examination. So that is about. If you want to subscribe, you can visit thinkersias.com/current affairs or please find the link in the description box below. So thanks for watching.